Photoshop tutorial from Hardwork IT. Tools panel overview. Selection tools. Crop and slice tools. Measuring tools. Retouching tools. Painting tools. Retouching tools. Painting tools. Retouching tools. Drawing and type tools. Navigation tools. Workspaces. Consider which of Photoshop panels are displayed on your screen. You can change workspace before start your design. The 3D workspace is good for 3D panel settings. The graphic and web workspace for print designs and web graphics. If you're going to work with motion graphics, select Motion Workspace. Then, I'll select the Painting Workspace from the list. The Painting Workspace is also streamlined for a specific task. In this case, it's digital painting. I'll select the Photography Workspace. The Photography Workspace is a suitable choosing for image editing and retouching. The checkmark next to Essentials means that it's currently active. Thank you for your watching. Subscribe now.